Let's see how to compare and combine the original document with the revised document in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, this is an old version of this document, and I have a newer version called template new one. Now, this version has an appendices section right after the references section, as you can see here. Now, let's go back to the old document. Now, to compare and combine these two documents, what we can do is head on over to the review tab right here and click on compare, which will give you two options to either compare or combine those documents. Now, since we want to combine them, let's click on combine. Now, let's set up this one as the original document. And let's set the revised document as template new one. Now let's go ahead and click OK and see what happens. And as you can see, this will show us the combined result of the two documents, which now includes the appendices. Now from here, you can select to accept or reject these changes. Now, since the only change I made was to put down an appendices section, you'll see now that once I click accept, our document will now have an appendices section. And that is how you compare and combine two documents in Microsoft Word. See you soon!